Today we are introducing our new 2-in-1 solution to hook up your steering wheel to your roll cage. Let me introduce the frog racing hook that just slide around your bar and that you can secure with a zip tie. Not only it serves as a hook, but it also has a GoPro mount. Just get the zip tie around your bar. Okay, so now here I have my hook in place. And of course you can use it without the GoPro if you don't need the GoPro. If it's on your way and you don't want it to stick out, you can simply slide it up like this and it's out of your way. When you need it, you can just push it down, take your steering wheel, and attach it like this. We use those cable ties made of nylon that are V-shaped teeth that offer more resistance and that have a tensile strength of 200 pounds. The hook is available for 1.5 inch or 1.75 inch. The size is written in the inside of the hook. The hook is available in standard version, which is ABS plastic. You can have the HD version, which is the carbon fiber reinforced nylon. It's also annealed for 12 hours for extra rigidity. For those who don't want the cable tie hookup, you can have a version with a stainless steel worm gear clamp. And this version, called the XL version, is wider. It can be also had in ABS or carbon fiber reinforced nylon. Your standard GoPro thumb screw is gonna fit on the hook, and so that works with GoPros, DJI, any action camera that uses a standard GoPro mounting system. Contour camera users, we also make this attachment to go from GoPro to Contour. You have your Contour camera ready to shoot. Compared to a traditional hook, you only need the space to slide the zip tie between the bar and the roof. This hook will fit where the traditional aluminum hook is not going to go around the bar. The frog racing hook offers a GoPro mount and it's half the weight of the aluminum counterpart, and it's also half the price. On the frog racing website, go to the store and click on steering wheel hook, and you will get to the page where you will get the description of the products, and you will be able to go to our PayPal page to order the hook. Choose whether you want the standard or HD version and the correct diameter for the harness bar. Thank you, and hope to see you soon at an event.